Hello everybody and welcome. Over the years I have met more than 5,000 paper cut arts works, from delicate snowflakes to creative paper crafts of all kinds. Paper is such a simple material, but with just little imagination, it can turn into something truly beautiful. In my channel, I share ideas and inspiration for anyone who loves handmade art. Whatever you are, beginner, a student, or simple someone who enjoys relaxing with crafts, you will find something here to enjoy. So if you want to explore world of the paper art, discover new design and even try them yourself, make sure check out my videos. Thank you for being here and let's create something amazing together.